Hello, do you like my loose tooth?
Your tooth is kind of funny looking.
How dare you say that to me?
Well, the problem is, it's hanging out your mouth.
What are you gonna do about that loose tooth hanging out of your mouth?
I don't know.
Maybe you could tie a string to it in a door and slam the door and make the tooth yank out.
Never!
Well, when I had a loose tooth, my mom gave me an apple and I bit into it and it fell out.
I'll never do that.
Okay then I'm going to eat